So I also got to read Wonder Woman number 23. And everything is coming to a head. We have the big final battle. And it's really cool because 22 issues have led up to this. And it pleases me to no end to say it was fulfilling. It was nice. Obviously, if you don't know who won, then you're an idiot, because obviously Wonder Woman is not going to lose. But we see a great battle with the Firstborn. We see we see War going at it, basically taking charge and trying to basically fix a bunch of stuff that he's done in the past. And he brings his own army, which is a whole bunch of dead warriors from the past, which is super cool. We see Orion try, kind of gets his ass kicked. But it's a great battle with Wonder Woman and the Firstborn at the end, and she really has to find out who she is. And it's really cool because of her actions. She gets yet another title, and I can't wait to see what she does with this new title because it's pretty badass. And of course, baby, everybody, Hera, everybody's safe at the end. Can't wait to see where they go with all the villains and stuff. But I was really pleased with the way they wrapped this all up. So I'm going to go ahead and give Wonder Woman number 23 4 out of 5 Nerd Skulls.